Apopka is a city known as the indoor foliage capital of the world, where local businesses grow strong and opportunities take root. From nursery growers and landscaping crews to contractors, healthcare providers, and service professionals, Apopka's business owners are dedicated to delivering quality and reliability every single day. But when unexpected expenses arise or new projects require upfront investment, keeping momentum can be tough. That's where fast, dependable funding steps in. At New York Fast Funding, we help Apopka's businesses access quick, no-hassle capital, so you can take on bigger jobs, manage day-to-day costs, or invest in new growth without delays. Whether you're expanding your team, purchasing equipment, or covering operational needs, we make sure funding isn't what slows you down. Apopka's business community is built on hard work, growth, and determination. And we're here to support the people who keep it moving forward. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.